Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Outlook rules with Copilot to prioritize messages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Outlook rules with Copilot, start by launching your Outlook application. Once Outlook is open, locate the search bar at the top. Type Copilot in the search bar to access the feature. Select the Copilot search result that appears. In the Copilot panel, type Show My Rules. Copilot will then display a list of your existing rules. Review the rules presented to ensure they are up to date. If you want to prioritize messages, look for rules related to email importance. Select a rule by clicking on it. To edit the rule, click on the edit icon that appears. Adjust the criteria as needed to better prioritize your messages. If you're creating a new rule, return to the Copilot panel. Type Create a new rule in the input field. Follow the prompts to set up your new rule. After creating or adjusting a rule, confirm that it is active. Check the status to ensure the changes are saved. Return to your inbox to observe the effects of the new or modified rules. You can further test the rules by sending yourself sample emails. This will help confirm if the prioritization is working as intended. Make additional adjustments through Copilot if necessary. Your Outlook should now be tailored to help prioritize your messages effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.